Ohne Witz, guys. No cap. There is a magic German word that literally has absolutely zero English translation. None. No way to translate it directly. Well, today, I'm gonna blow your mind and arm you with the ultimate German comeback word. Welcome back to the Explainer series. I'm your teacher, and today we're spilling the tea on your family tree, figuring out how to talk about languages, and, yeah, unlocking a conversational weapon so powerful, you'll seriously wonder how you ever spoke without it. So, what exactly is this magic comeback word? Well, actually, I'm holding it hostage right now. Don't hate me. I promise to reveal it and exactly how to use it in just a few minutes. But first, we are going to run through 3 rapid-fire grammar sprints to level up your German right here, right now. No slow, boring academic pauses today, okay? Are you ready? Sprint number 1 starts right now. Okay, sprint 1. The E-drama. Listen, stop introducing your family wrong in German. Seriously. To say my, you gotta do a quick vibe check on the gender of that family member. If it's a masculine word, like der Vater, the father, you just use mein. Super simple. Mein Vater. But if it's a feminine word, like die Mutter, the mother, oh, she absolutely demands that extra E on the end. It becomes meine Mutter. You gotta respect the E rule. Let's actually put this rule into action. Say you want to introduce your brother. You drop the E and just say, das ist mein Bruder. But the very second you switch to your sister, boom, you gotta add that E right back in. Das ist meine Schwester. And hey, it works for plurals too. Like, das sind meine Eltern. Krass, right? Crazy. Just drill it into your head right now. Mein Bruder, meine Schwester. Bam, sprint number 2. German verbs literally love to shapeshift. Take the verb sprechen, to speak. For ich, which means I, it's totally normal, right? Ich spreche. But watch what happens when you switch to du, you, or er and sie, he and she. That little vowel E wildly mutates into an I. It's crazy. Du sprichst, er spricht. It's a total vowel shapeshifter. So let's put that shapeshifter to work right now. I want to ask you directly, welche Sprachen sprichst du? What languages do you speak? Did you notice that I hiding in sprichst? Now, if you can confidently answer me with, Ich spreche Englisch und ein bisschen Deutsch, then honestly, I have to say, mega geil. Super cool. All right, sprint number 3. This one is absolutely crucial for sounding 100% local. It's all about your sentence melody. Notice the pitch. If you're using a W question, like wer or wie, your voice actually has to drop down at the end. Try it with me. Wie heißt deine Frau? See how it drops? But if it's a yes or no question starting with a verb, your voice shoots right up. Sprichst du Deutsch? Master this up and down pitch drop and läuft bei dir. You're doing amazing. Okay, phew, take a breath. The sprints are officially over. Welcome to the boss fight. Here is the ultimate payoff I promised you. The magic word is DOCH. This is literally your untranslatable weapon against negative questions. In English, if someone asks you a negative question and they're just dead wrong, figuring out how to say on the contrary, yes, I am, is like super clunky and confusing. But in German, we just drop the magic word DOCH. Let's see this play out in a sassy, lightning-fast conversational volley. Imagine a guy sees a girl without a wedding ring. He asks a negative question. Bist du nicht verheiratet? Are you not married? Now, if she is married, she can't just say ja, because that kind of implies, yes, your negative statement is right. I am not married. Instead, she fights back. She claps back with, Doch, ich bin verheiratet. Actually, yes, on the contrary, I am married. Whenever someone throws a negative statement your way and they're completely wrong, you just hit them with a Doch. That is absolutely hammer. So awesome. Okay, now let's see if you can wield this weapon yourself. It is high-stakes, pop-quizzed time. I'm challenging all my polyglot curious viewers out there today. Person A asks, are you not from Germany? And person B needs to fire back. Actually, yes, I am from Germany. So how exactly do you translate this specific negative interaction using your brand new magic word? So, do you take a W or an L today? Drop your pop quiz translations down below this explainer. I'm going to be pinning the correct answers so you can check your work. Did you get the E-drama, the shapeshifter, the pitch drop, and the magic word? If this explainer blew your mind, be sure to hit that like button. But before you go, just think about this for a second. If just one tiny untranslatable word can completely flip the power dynamic of a conversation, what other secret weapons is the German language hiding? Keep practicing your DOCH, and I'll see you next time. Tschüss!